Hello everyone. In today's video we will discuss NCERT solution for class 12th chemistry by Mahesh Bhardwaj, chapter 2 solution. NCERT exercise question we will discuss in this video from the chapter number 2 solution. Here we will discuss question number 2.4. Concentrated nitric acid in laboratory work is 68% nitric acid by mass in aqueous solution. What should be the molarity of such a sample of the acid if the density of the solution is 1.504 gram per ml? Answer, we proceed to the answer. We use the formula in this case is molarity is equal to percentage into density into 10 divided by molar mass. Normally, we calculate the molarity with the formula weight upon molar mass into 1000 upon V in ml. When density is given and percentage is given by mass in any question, then we can use this direct formula, that is molarity is equal to percentage into density into 10 upon molar mass. Okay, in this question 68% nitric acid is given by mass in aqueous solution. What does that mean? It means 68 gram of nitric acid is dissolved in 100 gram of solution. The molar mass of nitric acid in this case is 63 gram per mole. There is one hydrogen atom. I multiply 1 with the 1 because atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Nitrogen is 1. 1 into 14. Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. There are 3 oxygen atoms. 3 into 16 because 16 is the atomic mass of oxygen. So net value comes to be 63 gram per mole. So there is a formula of molarity. Molarity is equal to percentage into density into 10 upon molar mass. So now we will substitute the value. We observe that the percentage is 68, density is 1.504 into 10, molar mass is 63. When we solve this, the value comes to be 16.23 molar. So this is our answer.